Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Come get ready with me for Riley's free bowls. Okay, so the first thing I do is I always put music on. So we're gonna do that. It's because I'm ultrasonic tanking something right now, and the sound of it is screeching, and it's annoying. So I just put on my Spotify playlist, because it's different every single day, every single morning. I also forgot that I'm putting on sunscreen, so that's before makeup. So today's look is going to be a little bit chiller and cleaner. Normally I go in with a blush, a cream blush right away. Normally it's like a pixie blush, but I don't want a lot of makeup on today, so we're just gonna go in with concealer. I use Clinique. That's all I use, and like obviously the sunscreens are a little bit tinted. And the drops are tinted, so they give it like little to no cover. I just go in with a brush and feather it out under my eyes. Okay, so now I go in with Dior blush. It's just pink because I want a little color. Just mascara. So I go in, I curl my lashes, and I put the mascara on, and then I do my eyebrows. Oh my god, everything's falling. Ah. Everything just went into my soapy water. Alright, and then I go with the brow glue, NYX brow glue. It's clear, it's really nice. It just sticks your eyebrows up because I have a weird brow. This one's so weird. So I kind of use whatever mascara is to grab, so I have a couple in there. So right now we're gonna do a Tarte. And I declump all the mascara twice. We're gonna use a lip gloss for today. I need color. Hold on. Oh, and for my lips, I've used Dior. So this is the lip glow. And then we use their lip gloss as well. It gives you a little color and a little shine. It's really cute on camera. So that's that's the face. Look, there's Harley. Okay, so my camera died, so we're gonna be using the phone, which is totally fine by me. But we had 3 littles, so they couldn't come today. So I'm gonna jump in the garage with some of the girls and do some of the rebuilding services, which is gonna be so much fun and create some more content for you guys. So we're gonna go to the garage. I'm gonna put my headphones on because it does get loud. And I'm sorry if the audio quality is not gonna be the best. I'm gonna try and get the microphones on, but you guys get to see. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming too.
Gotta get the parts for you.
Graham is blowing stuff out. What are you doing?
I don't even know.
Okay, he doesn't even know. And the girls are disassembling.
Hello.
Are we trying to figure out?
Trying to call my mom.
Oh, we're calling mom. And disassembling or reassembling?
I'm disassembling.
Ooh, fun. This is what our day looks like. What I've been doing is I've been doing a bunch of stainless steel and figuring out for our SEMA car what goes. We also just did these side panels. If we go through here, we just did the bolting on. It's not bolting. I'll show you. You guys see the video. I don't want to give away too much of the video. But lots of fun in the garage. That's our day. Okay, so we're putting on the quarter molding and they keep popping off on us, so we're gonna try and get this in one take.
Yeah.
He gave me the harder side.
Explain what you're doing. I'm lining up this edge. The front
He's
edge,
gonna line up before I go.
And now you have to move the clips.
That are already popping
to
off.
line them. All right. So the four front, you have to get them inside the car. So Grandma is in the car right now. And the rest of them, you can actually get to from inside the wheel well.
So I should have said that that's the end of their day, because my day still continues, because I'm right now editing all the videos that we just made. I'm gonna be pre-uploading some scheduled uploads, because we talked about some of the stainless steel panel work, so we have 3 new videos going up on Facebook and Instagram soon, and then we also have new videos coming in. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. I'm planning on doing a get ready with me as I talk about certain topics like getting into the industry, how to grow your following, all those fun things. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.